Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get your Discord token. First, understand that your Discord user token is a highly sensitive piece of information. It acts like a password, granting full access to your account. Therefore, it is absolutely crucial to keep it private and never share it with anyone. We will focus on legitimate uses, such as developing your own Discord bot and how to find it safely. To begin, open Discord in your preferred web browser. Once loaded, press the F12 key on your keyboard to open the Developer Tools panel. Next, locate and click on the Network tab within these tools. After selecting the Network tab, refresh your Discord page. This action will populate the network requests. Finally, filter these requests by XHR and look for entries like messages or science to narrow down your search. Now, select one of the relevant network requests you found, for example, a request related to messages. Within the details of this request, navigate to the Headers section. Here, you will need to locate the authorization field. Your Discord token is the long, alphanumeric string of characters that follows either bot or bearer. Be extremely careful to copy this entire string accurately, as it represents your complete and unique user token. Remember, your Discord token is incredibly powerful. Never share it with anyone, under any circumstances, as it grants full control over your account. For development, store it securely, perhaps using environment variables, rather than hard-coding it. If you ever suspect your token has been compromised, change your Discord password immediately to invalidate the old token. Always use your token responsibly and only for authorized personal bot development.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.